Happy Easter, everyone. I am actually traveling and I am at the family's place, so I don't have my usual setup for recording. I'm recording with my phone. I hope that it will be great to listen anyway, to just relax and take some breaths together. First of all, I would like to wish you happy Easter, and I hope that the time spent with family, friends, or just having some time off will help you rest and relax, and it will be very helpful to your life to just simply stop for a bit, not do things, not too much. So let us meditate for a short while. I hope there will be not too much background sounds here. Have a comfortable seat. Hopefully you can of course stand or lie down. If it's okay for you to close the eyes, feel free to close them now. And just take a few deep breaths. Letting go of any tension. Letting go of any stress, any worry. Just a couple more deep breaths. And noticing the body position in space. Noticing how the body is touching the seat, how the feet are touching the ground, and where your hands are placed. And letting the body relax. And just for a moment, simply following the breath. Noticing how it enters the body and then how it leaves. And just taking a short break, a pause. To return to the body in the present moment. Relaxing the jaw. Letting the shoulders drop, arms be heavy. Softening the belly and all the muscles down the legs, all the way to the feet. Just resting and relaxing. Breathing. And just for a moment, noticing everything else in the environment, all the sensations in the body, staying with those, but at the same time noticing the sound. Maybe the smells. Maybe the touch of air on the skin. And then taking a few deep breaths again before slowly opening the eyes to return to the surroundings. Letting yourself return slowly, no hurry. There's time to return to the family and friends. Enjoy the rest of holidays. And just a quick reminder, if you wish to meditate with me online, we will start a weekly drop-in meditation class on Tuesday, May 6th. And all the details are in the description below this video. So I hope you enjoyed this very short holiday break, and I'll see you next time, or maybe online. Take care and have a wonderful Easter. Bye bye.